Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy V-Bucks with Apple gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your Epic Games and simply go to the search and type in V-Bucks, and you will get into their Fortnite V-Bucks. So let's say if you have been wanting to purchase V-Bucks, even if you like to redeem it, and you simply go to the buy now section, and you won't be able to see your Apple Pay as an option for you to pay for it, right? So that is because currently since 2020 apparently Apple Pay and Fortnite aka and the Epic Games are having some dispute regarding the revenues of the players that will be spending on Fortnite. So because of that conflict, they have removed the Epic Games and the Fortnite completely. So that is one of the reasons why you won't be able to, and that is why you're having constantly that problem. So we also are still waiting for the update regarding it, when it's gonna be resolved and it's gonna be again back to normal and be updated. So currently in 2023, unfortunately you cannot do it. You have to choose another method source for you to purchase it. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.